Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: a 5G-compatible SIM or hotspot and available coverage. Once done, power the device and place it where signal is strongest, higher, near a window, and clear of metal obstructions. You should log into the carrier portal or the hotspot admin page to activate the SIM and select the correct band if options exist. Make sure to note signal bars and LED indicators. They guide your next placement tweaks and help avoid wasting time on devices that aren't active. You now focus on optimization. Mount an external antenna or directional panel aimed at the nearest tower to increase signal-to-noise ratio. Once mounted, run Ethernet to a router or use a cellular router so multiple devices share stable bandwidth. You should configure APN settings, enable carrier aggregation if supported, and force 5G NR as the preferred network in the device menu. As you adjust antenna angle, watch throughput tests. Small movements often yield large improvements, so iterate until speed and latency meet your needs. You finish by validating performance. Run repeated speed and latency tests at different times to understand variability. If service is unstable, switch bands, slightly relocate the antenna, test a backup SIM or an alternate provider, and reboot the modem. Common fixes that resolve most issues. Make sure firmware and router software are current, enable surge and lightning protection for rural power, and record the working configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity drops, try a quick antenna re-aim and SIM swap before buying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.